Hey guys, welcome back to Tsp Pink Salt. Today we are going to be making creamy and buttery vegan mashed potatoes. It is so easy. Let's get into it. So of course, the first thing we are going to have to do is clean our potatoes. So as you can see here, I'm peeling them, I'm removing the stubs, and from my particularly large potatoes, I actually like to cut them in half, cut them in quarters, and then cube them. I just find that so much easier. Once we have all of our potatoes prepared, we're going to rinse them, fill a pot with water, and then we're also going to add in some salt for flavor. While that's cooking, we're going to saute our garlic and green onion, and we are going to do this on about medium-low heat, and we want to keep it moving. We do not want our garlic to burn. We're going to saute this until it develops this nice golden color, as you can see here. Then we're going to turn off the heat and add our vegan butter. And as you can see here, I'm mixing it up until it melts completely and it absorbs that really nice garlic and onion flavor. Now we're going to check on our potatoes, and this is how you know your potatoes are done. Do you see how it just fell apart? That is exactly what we're looking for. After we drain it, we're then going to mash our potatoes, and once we have it mashed to a decent point about here, we're then going to add in our butter mixture. We're going to continue to mash with our potato masher, and then eventually we're going to switch off to a rubber spatula, as you can see I'm doing here. And it does look dry, but I promise it will end up looking like this. You see, it's really nice, creamy, and smooth, and that is exactly the consistency that we're looking for. Now we're gonna add in some add-ins. We have some more green onion. We're gonna add in some pink salt to take up that flavor and some black pepper for spice. We're gonna mix all of this together, and guys, look how creamy and smooth this is. It's so delicious. And that's it, guys. This is my creamy vegan mashed potatoes, and I really hope you guys give this recipe a try. I promise you will not be disappointed, and this will definitely be a side staple item at your dinner table time and time again. If you try this recipe, please let me know in the comments below. I love reading your comments and getting your feedback. And if you have not already subscribed to my channel, definitely consider subscribing. I put out new videos every single week, and hit that notification bell. That way you will get a notification every time I put out a new recipe. Until next time, guys, have a wonderful day. Bye.